welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. However, I am doing 31 days of Halloween, which consists of things such as makeup, spooky treats and unboxings. So if you're into that sort of stuff, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today's look is inspired by The Wizard of Oz, which was my favourite movie growing up. I remember I would sit there and watch it like 3 times a day as a kid and never got sick of it. So this is inspired by The Wicked Witch. If you want to see how I've achieved this look, what products I've used, all of that stuff, then stay tuned and let's get on with it. So to start this look, I'm going to take 2 different shades of green face and body paint. I will be using more of the lighter green than the darker green. Once I'm happy with the shade, I will be applying it to my face and neck. I'm also covering my eyebrows. I'm now going to take a white face paint and make some highlights by just mixing a little bit of that white in with the green that's left over. Bring that underneath my eyes to lighten them up a bit. Down the middle of my nose. A little bit on my chin. And dab some on my forehead. I'm going to cover my eyelids with that paint as well. Then going to take one of my favourite setting powders, which is the Jeffree Star Magic Star, and I'm using the translucent shade just to set this and mattify the paint a bit. Go in with this green here and just dust lightly over the top of paint to bring back a little bit more colour. Then I'm going to take the lighter green and go over my highlighted areas. The shade Flying Saucer, and I'm just going to do a little bit of contouring with that. As always, starting with my P. Louise base. So to start my eyes, I'll be taking a dark bluey tealy shade and applying that to the tops of my eyes. And then I'll be taking this glittery shimmery black from the Starry Night palette by Evil Eye Cosmetics and just buffing that underneath that bluey colour. Going to cut my crease. I'm going to be applying the green shimmery eyeshadow with my finger quite heavily. And before I forget, I should probably put some eyebrows on. Going to take some black hole again and put that underneath my eyes near my waterline. I'm putting some black eyeliner in my waterline. Now I'm going to add some glitter to my eyelids, so I'm just taking a lash glue, which I use as a glitter adhesive. Going to take the Cheeky Bits Les Rocks palette, use this green right here, and I'm just dipping my finger into it and dabbing it on my lids. The reason I use eyelash glue, as I've probably mentioned in the past, is 1, it's easier to remove glitter at the end of the night, 2, it ensures the glitter stays in place, and 3, I haven't found a glitter adhesive that I've liked. I used to use hair gel, but yeah, I would never use it on my actual lid. Then I'm going to take a liquid eyeliner. The lashes I'm using are the 440 from Model Rock. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to use one of my favorite Baby Bat Beauty lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, in the shade Bewitched, and it is a beautiful black with sparkles. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're into these sorts of videos, stay tuned, because I'm doing the full 31 days of Halloween. There will be makeup videos, there will be unboxings, and there will be spooky treats.